Dropped it. Back here. I'm trying to get it for you.
What'd you do? Get that for me.
Archer.
There it is. It's behind you.
Oh, right after your face. It's like, mister, you dropped it.
Me?
Promised me that worm, and now it's gone.
Let me guess, Archer. Yes. You're soon to be so.
I'm looking.
Hey!
Yes, look
Hey!
at me.
Oh!
Gentlemen, you guys,
Oh, the carrot.
stop, walk away. The birds are feeding right here. What did you hurt?
What?
What did you hurt? Did you stub your toe on?
Really hard, it like slammed.
Sorry.
Carrot did paper a drawing of a skull with a knife through its head and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Put Archer on it.
Kira,
And then I erased it.
don't kid about stuff like that.
If it bothers Archer, then you need to stop it, just like you would not tolerate.
Mommy, can I want to erase it?
No, you have to clean your room.
You said when I got ready I could want something. Not right.
I said if you had time before your...
It's okay.
You just have to clean your room.
I have lists for...
Mom,
Stop it, Kira.
I wasn't doing anything.
Oh, it fell through.
Down into the cage.
Are you done with this?
Yeah, yours I am.
Or do you mean the pad?
I'm not done with Archer's. She's all ready to go to sleep. Or chatty. That's what I call her, chatty. Oh, she's ready to go to sleep. Her eyes are closing. Look at her. She's just, oh, look. She's going to sleep on you. She's all ready to go to sleep. It cracks me up. It's so funny. This one's still hungry. Chatty one is all ready to go to sleep, but she just keeps eating. Her eyes is having trouble keeping her eyes open. Yeah, you crack me up. You're very good night night, huh? Get a full belly. Here she goes.
It's okay.